The current setup for the rack and pinion press will be to have a cycle permissive sensor that must be enabled, and we will do that by placing a part into the upper tooling making the sensor. The left-hand tie-down button then must be made and maintained throughout the entire cycle in order to permit the ram to move downward. The stroke must be completed to within an accuracy of 0.05 millimeter or 2/1000 of an inch. Once the stroke is completed, the handle is released and the ram can come back up with no issues. If the stroke is not completed, still making the same sensors but with short stroke of press, the system will lock, it will fault, and you must reset the fault to allow the handle to retract. At any point in time, the cycle permissive sensor must be dropped in order to verify that the part was removed. To show the accuracy of the system, we have our number 11 toggle press set up with the left-hand tie-down and the return stroke lock. Return stroke lock, as we come down, dial indicator represents 1/1000 of an inch. That verifies end of stroke. We'll come down just short of end of stroke. You can see the ram locks, verifying that the stroke was not made. The control then must be reset, the ram to return.